Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this dress to impress tutorial, we are channeling the fierce, edgy and absolutely iconic style of Christina Aguilera from her early 2000s pop princess looks to her full-on diva slay. So if you want to know how to create this iconic look, let me show you the details. Let's start with the hair. First, I'm going to put on this long wavy hair and color it black like this. And I'm going to put on this braid here, the red one in here. Change the color into this color in here, this one at the top, including the beads. And I'm going to also combine it with this lock hair. And again, change the color into this color here. Last one, this one in here. And color it black. So the hair will look like this. And then I'm going to just start with the look. So for the top, I'm going to put on this scarf and use this patterns in here. Change the material into, you can go with light silk or silk. I think I'm going to just go with light silk. And I'm going to put on this hat, change the color into material into matte and change the color into white. Let's grab this belly piercing and change the color into blue. And I'm going to grab this bracelet. Let's finish the look. For the top, I'm going to combine it with this top at the top center, toggle it into classic and use the same patterns like this. And I'm going to grab this pants and change the color using this color. You can copy my hex code if you want to. And don't forget to change the material into denim. It will look like this. Now let's just finish the look with some of the code items. So here, I'm going to go to the fitting room and first put on the eyelashes. And also, I'm going to wear this shoe. Change the color into all black. So now the look is done. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.